Blessing, love lights. Today we are talking about cleavers. And you may have noticed cleavers grow everywhere. And sometimes people refer to them as Velcro weed or bindweed, although that's totally something different. And it helps with your lymphatic drainage. It helps to remove sticky, clingy relationship issues. And as you can see here, it's associated with the moon, the element of water, sign of Pisces, also some say Libra, and the planet Venus. You can see that we have the lymphatic system over here. And what we're doing today is I've been growing these cleavers accidentally with my Brahmi. And you'll be able to see here in the photos that the Brahmi is a softer, more succulent type of plant, and the cleavers were a bonus. A lot of people think of cleavers as a weed, but not me. And as a lot of you know, what most people think of as weeds are actually highly medicinal. So here in the picture, you're going to see those are the cleavers I'm holding with my finger. You can see the little catchy edges at the edges of the leaves. And then to the right, you can see the Brahmi, also known as Bacopa. And that one's a bit more fleshy and soft, and it doesn't have that distinctive clinging feeling that the cleavers have. So what I do is I pick off the little pieces of the cleavers and I put them in this jar here to dry. And then that empty jar, what we're going to do is we're going to take the cleavers, some Brahmi and some Bacopa, some juniper berries, some orange peels, and put them all in that jar with some vodka. We are making some spring bitters. Now, it's important to remember that bitter is the most important flavor. It helps squeeze out the gallbladder, cleanses our lymphatic, helps our digestion. Remember, it's more important than to do it than it is to wait until everything's perfect. Maybe your ratios are off. Maybe you think you don't have enough, whatever it is you think you need. That's not true. You can do it, and do it now. Your relationship with the herbs is more important than the perfection of the ideal of it. So go ahead and enjoy your spring bitters. Use whatever you have on hand. Don't worry about your ratios. And just know that the earth loves you and gives you medicine for free. I hope you have a blessed day and know that you are a blessing in the world. Thanks for being a Petals of Peace.